how to make a private Spotify playlist. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a private Spotify playlist. So let's get started. First of all, we are going to open our Spotify application on our mobile phone. First of all, we are going to look for the Your Library option at the bottom of the screen on the very first page. After finding it, we are going to tap on it. A new page will appear on the screen, in which we are going to choose one of our playlists. For example, on my screen, I have this favorites playlist. When I would tap on it, a new page would appear in which would have series of songs in this playlist. But I would look for a three dotted option at the left side of the screen beneath my Spotify username. Once I tap on it, a new dialog box would appear which would consist of many options. But I would sort the one with make private. So when I would tap on it, a new dialog box would appear saying, "Are you sure only you will have access to this playlist?" And make a private and not now option. I would tap on make private option. Hence, my Spotify playlist is now private. This is how you do it. I hope you like the video. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.